get a large mixing bowl, throw in 250 grams of cream cheese that you've had sitting for a couple of hours to get to room temperature. Add about a quarter of a cup or so of maple syrup and 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar and a quarter of a cup of thickened cream. Now we just want to beat this until it's nice and creamy. Now I just get these little mini tart shells, put the mixture in there. You can spoon it in, or if you want to be a little creative, put the mixture in the piping bag and pipe them in there. Once you've done that and made them look pretty terrible like I have, as you can see, I'm not really a decorator when it comes to piping. Either get some cookies, biscuits, crumble them, or just get a tart base and crumble that.